Hey, what up, everybody? It's a sequel. I'm doing a sequel here. Remember that one video? No, neither do I. Now, today's experimental gone wrong clickbait video is a 3D printed propellers on a drone. Guys, I don't know how this is gonna go down. I guess you could say it's up in the air. Now guys, there's an important thing about drone safety. Drone safety is really important. If you have your hand in the blade, there's a chance you might either break the blade or even worse yet, you break a bone. I doubt that will happen, but you know, it could. Safety tutorial. I'm just gonna wreck this like nothing else. I suppose I should walk a little bit away and we'll keep the drone in focus. Rest in pieces. That's all that's left. Now we gotta make sure if there's any critical damage here. I mean, overall, we got one intact blade. That's a pretty good record. Well, this sequel sucked. Nothing flied in this video. At least in the first video, something flew, and I could claim that. But in this title, it'll be like, can it fly? Now you know, it can't. I guess I'll return home to my laboratories and see if I can come up with something else someday. But today I think I've been defeated by my own engineering. Alright, hit the Casey Neistat music. Oh, cool. Free phone. Who leaves this here?
Who are you? Hey,
What?
are you doing? Hey.
No! It's my new camera!
Come on!
That's sweet. Only Casey Neistat does this kind of stuff. Hey, what up, peeps? Oh man, it's been 5 months of legal battles. I had to fight for my phone, which has all the video, and you would think that if you have footage of the guy stealing your phone, that you just, I don't know, win the legal case, but it's actually a lot more complicated than that. I don't want to go into details, you know, it's just so boring. It's not like I just didn't do anything.
Hey, unlikely, make more videos, you lazy bastard.
I will be doing some more stuff. I have this series idea that I think will be the future of this channel in a way. Because I think with that series that I'm planning right now, I'll be able to upload every week. But, you know, I've said that in the past, so that could mean anything at this point. Just stay tuned and thanks for staying subscribed until the counter goes down when I upload this video. Then screw you guys. Stop doing that. See y'all later. Peace out.